Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to dive into the Massey Ferguson 65. If you have watched my video where I go through the tractors we have owned a Massey Ferguson 65, especially the Mark 1. It was a good tractor but it didn't stay in the fleet long. In this video we are going to go through the different features, variants and engines. Once again we have some extra clips from Dave from the Incredible Tractor channels. If you still have not checked his videos out, I would recommend. I will leave a link in the description below. The Massey Ferguson 65 was introduced in 1958 as part of the Massey Ferguson's push to modernise and expand its tractor lineup. It was designed as a larger, more powerful alternative to the popular Massey Ferguson 35, catering to farmers who need a dependable workhorse for heavier jobs. The first version, known as the Mark 1, was produced from 1958 until 1962. These tractors were manufactured at the Banner Lane factory in Coventry, England, as well as the Detroit, Michigan for North American market. The Mark 1 was powered by a Perkins A4 192 4-cylinder diesel engine, which produced around 45 horsepower at the PTO. There was also a petrol version using the Continental G176 engine, and in some markets a Perkins petrol engine variant was available. In 1962, the Mark II was released, running until around 1964, though in some regions production continued a little longer. The most significant upgrade on the Mark II was the adoption of the Perkins A4 203 diesel engine, offering a small bump in power and improved fuel efficiency. This engine became known for its reliability and strong torque, making it ideal for tough field work. Both the Mark I and Mark II shared many core features. They came standard with a 6-speed transmission, though many were offered with Massey Ferguson's multi-power system, which provided 12 forward speeds and a live PTO. This system allowed operators to shift between high and low ranges on the go, improving versatility during work like ploughing or baling. Variants of the Massey Ferguson 65 were numerous. There was a row crop version featuring a narrow adjustable front axle for cultivation work and a single front wheel version, popular in the US for specialty row work. A limited number of 4-wheel drive conversions were available as well, mostly from aftermarket companies or third-party engineering firms. Massey Ferguson also offered an industrial version, typically painted yellow, which featured a heavy front axle and often came with a front loader or digger attachment for use in construction and municipal work. The Massey Ferguson 65 was not just a UK or Northern American product. European markets also received dedicated versions. Some French-built models were assembled at Massey Ferguson's Beauvais plant, and production in other regions like Argentina and Brazil helped expand the tractor's reach globally. These European models were largely similar in spec but often featured slight variations in lighting, hydraulics or controls to meet local regulations and preferences. In terms of features, both the Mark I and Mark II offered dual rear wheels as an option, a swinging drawbar, power steering on later models, and hydraulic auxiliary ports for implements. The 3-point linkage system, known for its strength and reliability, made the Massey Ferguson 65 ideal for running ploughs, cultivators and mowers. Exact sales for the Massey Ferguson 65 are difficult to confirm, but it was undeniably one of Massey Ferguson's most successful tractors of the late 1950s and early 1960s. It's estimated that over 200,000 units were produced globally, a significant figure for a tractor in that horsepower range at the time. We hope you all enjoyed going through the history of the Massey Ferguson 65. If you have, please do leave a like and consider subscribing. It is free. Also, hit the bell icon to be notified when we next upload. We hope to see you all next week with another video.